Hello class, I'm going to be using this video as my background YouTube video for the performance testing. So as we look at this, only max 10% of my, oh wow, it jumped up to 17, of my CPU is being used at 4 gigahertz, around there. And my memory right now is at a stable 6.4 gigabytes in use currently. Out of 16 gigabytes, I have two 8 gigabit RAM sticks. This is my disk 0, which is a Samsung SSD 860 EVO. It's 1 terabyte. This is my second drive, and this is my main PCI drive right here. So it's a WDC 512 gigabyte PCI, and that is all.